conditional probability gives us the probability for some event to occur, given that some other event has already occurred. On the slide, we can see the notation for the conditional probability of y, given that an event for x has already occurred. We can also see the formula, which lets us find the conditional probability of an event. Let's now use this formula in practice. The table on this slide gives us the joint and marginal probabilities for two unfair coins, to either display heads or tails. Let's find the conditional probability for the coin A to display heads, given that B has already displayed tails. The joint probability for A to display heads, and for B to display tails, is 2/9. The probability for B to display tails is 1/3. Dividing these values, we find that the probability for A to display heads, given that B has already displayed tails, is 2/3. It is worth noting that in our example, the tosses of the coins are independent events. That is why the conditional probability we just found is the same as the individual probability for A to display heads.